How to delete recordings from library on YouTube TV. So if you want to delete the recordings from library on your YouTube TV, then just follow the steps. So to delete the recordings on your YouTube TV, it's essential to follow the correct steps. First, open up your YouTube TV app. You will get this kind of interface once you've opened. Then launch the YouTube TV on your preferred device, whether it's a smart TV, streaming device, mobile phone, or computer. And after that, you need to access the library option. Choose library because this is where you'll find all of your recorded shows and movies. And after that, select the recording to delete. Scroll through the list of recordings under the recordings and purchases section. Look for the movie or TV show that you want to delete. And after that, click or tap the three stacked dots next to the recording that you want to remove. From the pop-up menu, you need to select Add it to Library option. And that's it, you've deleted a recording from a YouTube TV library. Repeat this process anytime you want to remove unwanted recordings and enjoy your organized viewing experience. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.